everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a full face of SheGlam Makeup. I'll be sharing a look with you using their Twilight eyeshadow palette, a few other new products, so let's get started. I'm starting off with using the SheGlam Brows on Demand 2-in-1 Brow Pencil. My shade is Chocolate. This brow duo is so nice. So you have like the brush tip and you can fill in like with little hairs, and you have the other side that's like an auto pencil, which you can fill in the entire brow if you want. There are two different ways to use this. They both work amazing. It lasts all day in your brows. The shade range is really nice on the website as well, and I love how my brows look after using. Now from SheGlam I got an eye brush set. These brushes come in a nice little pouch. They would be travel friendly. 4 brushes, but they are double-ended. So 8 brush heads. And they range from precision brushes, angled brushes, to eyeshadow. You get a spoilie, you get an angled brush, you get a little precision brush, you get eyeshadow, you get some blending brushes in this set. The brush set is really nice. The brushes are sleek. I like that they're in that really nice nude color. They come with a pouch, and the bristles are really soft. Now I'm taking the Multi-Fix Concealer and Color Corrector in Vanilla. This is from SheGlam also, and I'm using the angled brush to go in and kind of clean up and perfect the brow. I'm just taking that concealer to do that, and I'm using the angled brush from the set. So I use the spoolie and the angled brush, and they work amazing. The only thing I can say bad about the brushes is that they're double-ended, so I don't really like storing them in a cup. Now, from SheGlam, they released a Twilight collection. Wasn't originally going to get this palette, but it kind of grew on me, and then it was on sale for like $4, so I was like, okay, now's my chance. I need to get this. The Twilight Saga Eternal Love palette. I love the packaging. It's so pretty with the trees. Definitely giving Forks vibes. I'm a huge Twilight fan, and this is what the palette looks like. It's in this clear plastic case, which has this like blue tint on it like the movie. The eyeshadows are really pretty. You get 4 shimmery eyeshadows and 4 matte eyeshadows. 4 of the eyeshadows have embossing on them. I really love the one that says vampires, and I think the wolf is really cute. There's a bird, and there is obviously a tree. Now, the SheGlam shimmers are so beautiful, always. They are so very shimmery. The mattes work good too, and I think for the price that this palette is, it's definitely worth a try. If you love Twilight, if you like the color story, whatever it may be, the shadows from SheGlam are always really nice. I showed this look to my husband, and he said, now he had no idea that it was using the Twilight palette, a Twilight palette, or anything like that, and he said, that look reminds me of the first Twilight movie. Yeah. And I was like, oh my god, you're totally right, because that's kind of what I was going for. And it totally worked because my husband got it right away, even though he didn't even know that I was using a Twilight palette. Well, in this video, the light does change a little bit sometimes. The sun's going in and out, in and out. I still wanted to film the video, so just bear with me, it'll get better. So sometimes it's a more cooler tone, sometimes it's more warm tone in this video, but you know, it is what it is. So I'm taking the shimmery blue on the lid using an eyeshadow brush from the set, and while it is beautiful, I think that this shade applied okay with the brush. Next time I will definitely use my finger to apply this, or I will use some kind of sticky base so it can stick to it and we can see all the beautiful shimmers. And because I wanted this to be a little bit more lighter, I'm going to take the shimmery champagne nude shade that's in this palette, and I'm just going to press that right on top of that blue shade. I love the effect that it gave. It gave this like champagne eyeshadow that had this blue duochrome in the end. It was so pretty. I am extremely happy with the result of that. I was like, I ruined it using that darker blue on the lid, but putting the champagne shade on top really saved it. For me personally, I love how that came out. I love how that looked. Next up, I'm using the SheGlam Hyperscult Highlight and Contour Palette in Warm. I'm going to use this for a highlight shade because there's not one in the palette. So I'm using that creamy nude vanilla shade. I'm going to apply that under the brow. I'm going to use that to blend down the eyeshadows as well. So not only highlight, but we're going to use it for as a little help to blend the crease down. So that's what the finished eyeshadow portion looks like. I do really enjoy how the look came out. From SheGlam, I'm taking the Birthday Skin Oil Control Primer. This is the green tinted one. This is supposed to help with redness. These birthday skin primers are so good. This one smells like green tea or aloe. Either way, it smells really good. That's why I was smelling it. I like to apply these primers with a brush. It really gets into those fine lines and pores and kind of just gives me a really nice smooth canvas to work with. It does help with the redness too. Now I did pick these SheGlam sponges up, and this is a 6 sponge party pack. It comes with 6 different sponges, so you get 2 small sponges, 1 medium sponge, and 3 large sponges. And by large I just mean like more like normal size. I'll do a little comparison. These are incredibly soft. They worked amazing. You'll see they work really nicely. You get a lot of different options here. You get beveled, you get teardrops, you get sculpted. I believe it was like $5 for 6 sponges, and it comes with lots of different options. It's all you would ever need for a while until you need to repurchase them. These sponges are amazing. They hold up to AOA Studio Paw Paw sponge. If you know, you know. Amazing sponge. So I'm going to use the medium sponge, I believe. And I'm going to take this peachy concealer mixed with the lightest concealer in that palette we used earlier. I'm using it again now. And I'm using this under the eye. So the peachy shade's going to help kind of conceal the dark purpley circles that I have. And then the lighter color is going to just help conceal it in general. Normally I do my concealer after foundation, but this day I guess that I was just eager to get concealer on. And the sponge did an amazing job at blending that out. Now this is the Skinfluencer Full Coverage Foundation Balm from SheGlam. And look at that, I've hit pan on it, yay! And today I'm going to be using a brush with that, which I normally don't do. SheGlam Skinfluencer Foundation Brush. This is a new brush that they have, and it's a really nice handle, really nice bristles. It has a little divot in the middle there for you to actually pump some foundation into it, which you can do that. You can use it however you would like. Today I'm literally just going to be dipping into the balm. Using a brush to apply this balm is not my favorite because it is super pigmented. It's very full coverage, and using a brush just intensifies that full coverageness. So it looks like I have a very thick layer on, and yeah, I kind of do. It does blend out and it does look fine in the end. The brush really intensified that. The brush worked wonderful though. It was easy to use, easy to blend out the makeup, and it gave me full coverage using that. And typically I like to use my fingers and a sponge with that foundation balm because it has wax particles in it and you really need to warm them up with your fingers. I'm using this SheGlam. This is their liquid or cream bronzer. It's a bronzer and it's in a liquid form. I'm using that to bronze with, and then I'm also using a SheGlam brush, their paw brush for this, and the paw brush blends out all cream face products and it works amazing. It's so nice. That's the first brush I ever purchased from them. Highly recommend that paw brush. So from SheGlam also, I'm using the Forbidden Love liquid blush, and yes, I did keep this packaging. This is from the Twilight Saga collection they put out, and I just love all the packaging to this collection. Now this is a beautiful red blush. It looks a bit intimidating at first, but it does blend out really nice, really fast and easy. Okay, this is the SheGlam. This is the liquid highlighter, and this one's in like vanilla, and that one side over there got too much, so I took some of it away. I'm going to use the same brush to blend that out as well. I'm going to blend that out into the blush as well, and it's so pretty. So pretty, but boy can it be intense fast. SheGlam Insta Ready Powder Puffs. This is also a new product. These are velvet powder puff sponges. I love these type of sponges. It's a nice beautiful purple color. It has the ribbon on the back where you can kind of slip your fingers in and hold it. And I'm also going to be using the SheGlam Translucent Blur in a Bottle powder. This powder is a really nice, super finely milled. It sets the makeup in place and it does not leave a white cast. It blends out really nicely. My only complaint is the tiny bottle lid and stuff, but these sponges did pick up foundation from underneath the powder, as you can see, but that was the sponge because I've used the other products before as well. But that sponge really took that up. So using this precision brush, I'm going to use the Icy White shade in the palette to highlight the inner corner with. A very, very beautiful and stunning inner corner highlight shade. Yeah, but those sponges were nice and soft and they worked amazing other than that. So I'm also going to take the precision brush. I'm taking that teal shade on the lower lash line. Such a beautiful teal shade as well. Once I have that, I'm going to go in with the SheGlam Online Dual Eyeliner in black. And this has a felt like brush kind of tip on it. And it also has an auto liner side as well. It's really black. It's really nice and creamy. It's easy to use. And for the mascara, I don't have a black one from SheGlam, so I just used the Loreal Bambi mascara. And I chose not to do lashes today. Now for lips, this is a SheGlam. This lipstick is called like Velvet Matte, I believe, and the shade is Undertow. I love this nude lipstick. It's very beautiful. It's matte. Once it sets, it's in place, and it lasts a good while during the day. I do recommend carrying it around in your purse, but overall, it's a really nice matte lipstick. It's comfortable on the lips, not drying. SheGlam also came out with a matte fresh setting spray, and this is a matte setting spray. You have to shake it up or it could be disastrous, but it works amazing. The sprayer is awesome and it actually does mattify the skin. Look how gorgeous that matte skin is. I love how the eyes came out. I love how the face looks. I love SheGlam makeup in general. You can purchase all these products on shein.com. I hope you enjoyed the look, found the video helpful. I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Shein and SheGlam links.